Mercury transit in Taurus, wealthy showers and more. Mercury transit in Taurus, in Vedic astrology, the planet Mercury holds a significant place as it is considered the ruler of intelligence, logic, communication, and speech. Within the solar system, it is believed that Mercury is often referred to as the Prince of Planets, symbolizes a charming personality and has the power to enchant others through speech. Therefore, Mercury's position, movement, period dasha, or any change in its zodiac placement is considered highly important. Mercury will not undergo just one change in its position, but several, and these shifts are likely to have both direct and indirect effects on the world as well as on human life. This video will provide you with all the essential information related to Mercury's transit in the Taurus zodiac sign. This results for some zodiac signs while being inauspicious for others. Hence, we will also discuss in detail the remedies you can adopt to protect yourself from Mercury's negative influences. For this reason, we recommend that you read this blog till the very end. But first, let Mercury transit in Taurus, date and time. Let us first talk about the transit of Mercury. Known as the Prince among planets, Mercury typically changes its zodiac sign almost every month. In simpler terms, Mercury generally transits Now, Mercury is set to enter the Taurus zodiac sign on May 23, 2025 at 12:48 p.m. During the month of May, Mercury will undergo 3 positional changes, and this transit into Taurus will be its final transit of the month. Mercury, this transit is considered favorable or auspicious. Auspicious yoga forming in Taurus. On May 23, 2025, Mercury, the planet associated with business and commerce, will enter the Taurus zodiac sign, where the Sun, the king and progenitor of. As a result, the simultaneous presence of Mercury and the Sun in Taurus will lead to the formation of the auspicious Buddhaditya Yoga. This Buddhaditya Yoga will remain in effect from May 23, 2025 to June 6, 2025, as Mercury will move into Gemini. After that, Mercury will be in its combust state during this transit in Taurus, which may weaken the otherwise favorable effects of this yoga to some extent. Now, let us introduce you to the significance of the planet Mercury in astrology. Mercury as per astrology. 1 in Vedic astrology, and in this context, we now bring to you the astrological importance of Mercury. 2 Mercury, the smallest planet in the solar system, is considered a benefic planet in Vedic astrology, just as the Sun is regarded as the king, the Moon as the queen, and Mars as the commander-in-chief. 3 Mercury is known to govern speech, intelligence, communication, logic, business, accounting, and mathematics. It is a dual-natured Dvaiswabhav planet, meaning it adapts based on its planetary associations. 4 To put it simply, Mercury positioned with. When Mercury is placed with benefic planets, it brings positive outcomes, while its presence with malefic planets often results in negative consequences. 5 For instance, if Mercury is situated with Jupiter, Venus, or a strong moon, it tends to yield. If it is conjoined with malefic planets like Saturn, Ketu, Rahu, the Sun, or Mars, it may lead to inauspicious effects. A strong Mercury brings success in every field. The position of the planet Mercury in a person's birth chart holds great significance. Individual horoscope are usually very attractive and tend to look younger than their actual age. 2 Due to Mercury's influence in this house, such individuals are intelligent, logical, articulate, and skilled speakers. 3 Mercury in the first house blesses a person with long life, and speak multiple languages. 4 In the human body, Mercury governs the nervous system, ears, skin, and lungs, among other organs. When it comes to career, Mercury rules over fields like accounting, commerce, trade, mobile technology, banking, computers. In business, a favorable Mercury brings positive outcomes. Such individuals often achieve success in their ventures and have the ability to expand and grow their business effectively. How a weak Mercury can trouble you. A. If Mercury but is in a weakened state in a person's planets, or positioned in inauspicious houses, the individual may face both physical and mental challenges. B. The most noticeable negative impact of a weak Mercury is often seen in a person's speech and communication. Such individuals may struggle to express their thoughts clearly. A person affected by an inauspicious Mercury may have low intelligence, be weak in mathematics, and often take longer to grasp concepts. D. Those who are involved in business may suffer losses or face obstacles if Mercury is negatively placed in their horoscope. Some interesting facts about the planet Mercury. 10 fascinating facts about the planet Mercury. 1. In astrology, the conjunction of the Sun and Mercury in a birth chart forms the auspicious Bhudatitya Raj Yoga. 2. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, which is why it often remains one house ahead or one house behind the Sun. Day 3. In astrology, Mercury is considered a neutral planet, embodying both masculine and neuter qualities. 4. 1 day on Mercury is equivalent to 90 Earth days. 5. Yoga's planetary combinations formed by Mercury considered very auspicious. 6. If Mercury is positioned in its own sign, Mool Trikon sign, or a friendly sign, it gives positive results. However, if it is in its debilitated or enemy sign, it may lead to unfavorable outcomes. 7. Mercury. 8. In career, Mercury is considered the significator of writing, literature, journalism, consultancy, law, and accounting. 9. When Venus and Mercury are together in a chart, it forms the powerful Lakshmi Narayana Yoga. 10. Mercury rules the north direction, which is a remedies to follow during Mercury's transit in Taurus. On Wednesdays, plant a tulsi plant and offer regular prayers to it. Donate as many green items as possible on Wednesdays. Visit a temple of Goddess Durga on Wednesday and offer her green bangles. On Wednesdays. To receive Mercury's blessings, worship Lord Ganesha, offer him Durvagras, and chant the mantra Om Gam Ganapatanama 108 times daily. Respect transgender individuals.